Hello, children, and welcome to your flipped classroom learning. Now, Miss Walker is not well today, so I will be taking your flipped classroom maths video. My name is Mr. Whatsit, but you can call me Frank. Okay, today in maths, oh sorry, my moustache is tickling my nose. Today in maths, we will be doing a quiz. So, what you need is a piece of paper and a pencil and those little brains of yours, and we're going to do 8 questions, okay? Right, let me share my screen. Now, Miss Walker did tell me how to do this. 1 second, and let's see if I can do it. Ah, yes. Here we go. Can you see my screen, children? Yes, fantastic. Okay, what you will need to do is write the numbers 1 to 8 on your piece of paper. Okay? And we will go through the questions one by one to let you have a try at them, and then at the end we will mark all 8 questions together, okay? Fantastic. Now let me stop sharing for a minute because I think one of the answers is showing on my slides, and that is not good, is it? Giving you the answer before we've done the quiz? No, no, no. Okay. Are you ready, children? Mr. Watsit's ready? Oh no, sorry, my name's Frank. Frank is ready. Okay, your first question, number 1, is 12 take away 4. 12 take away 4. Now remember to pause me, children, if you need to pause me. And write down that answer next to the number 1. Fantastic. Okay, I hope you finished that. The next question, number 2, is 15 take away 5. 15 take away 5. Well done, children. Remember to pause me and write down the answer next to the number 2. Okay, Frank has a trickier one for you next. Oh, let me just sort my moustache out. Oh, yes, thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, this is a trickier one. I have 20 Wotsits and I eat 6. Now, stroke your beard and think, how many Wotsits do I have left? Now you're going to have to think about what maths you could use to work out this word problem. Let me read it for you one more time. I have 20 Wotsits and I eat 6. How many Wotsits do I have left? Okay, once you've completed that question, let's move on to number 4. Okay, number 4, children. Here is an array. Can you see it? How many rows are represented in this array? How many rows are there? Now count up the number of rows and then write your answer next to the number 4. Well done, children, well done. Okay, number 5. Number 5 is another tricky one, okay? There are 2 children and a bag filled with 10 sweets. They share the sweets equally. Can you represent this in a drawing? How many sweets does each child get? Pause me now and have a go at question number 5. Well done. I hope you're back, children. Well done. Okay, number 6 next. Here is a shape. What I would like you to do for number 6 is draw this shape and then draw a line to split it in half. Remember from last week what half looks like? Split this shape in half. Okay, fantastic. If you needed to pause me, pause me. Otherwise, we're going on to question number 7. Here are 2 lines. Which line is the longest? Which line is the longest? Okay. And the last question. Question number 8. Who has the best beard? Oh, now this shouldn't say Miss Walker or Miss Wassel, should it? It should say, let's cross it out. It should say Mr. Whatsit or Mr. Dorito. Who has the best beard? Mr. Whatsit or Mr. Dorito? Mr. Whatsit or Mr. Dorito? Okay, that's all the questions for today. We're going to go back now to question number 1 and mark the answers. Here we go. The first question was 12 take away 4. And children, the answer to that question, it's 12 add 4. And the answer to that question is 16. Give yourself a lovely little tick if you put 12 plus 4 is 16. Fantastic. Okay. Number 2 was 15 take away 5. 15 take away 5. Oh, sorry, everybody. Mr. Whatsit's legs are getting a little bit sore sitting on the ground. So I'm going to just sit on my chair now. 15 take away 5 is 10. Well done if you got that right. Okay, number 3. I have 20 Whatsits and I eat 6. How many do I have left? Now, I hope some of you had a good think about what maths we could use to figure out this word problem. What I did was 20 Whatsits take away 6 because I've eaten 6 and they've disappeared. 20 take away 6 is 14. Give yourself a tick if you got 14. Well done, well done. Okay, number 4. Here is an array. How many rows are represented? So let's count those rows together using my highlighter. Now remember, a row goes across like a crab, moving across the sand. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rows. Fantastic. If you got 5, give yourself a tick. Okay, now we're on number 5. There are 2 children and a bag of 10 sweets. They share the sweets equally. How can you represent this in a drawing? So hopefully your drawing looks something like this, with 2 groups, because there are 2 children and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sweets in each group, because 5 and 5 make 10. Give yourself a tick if you got that one right. Number 6, Draw this shape and then draw a line to split it in half. Now, remember, when we split something in half, it needs to be equal. So the only way we can split this shape in half is right down the middle, like that. So if you got that right, give yourself a pat on the back and a good old tick next to that triangle. Well done, well done. Number 7. Which line is the longest? And the answer to this question is A. A is the longest line. Well done, fantastic work. Okay, and the last question. Who had the best beard? Mr. Whatsit or Mr. Dorito? Now let me just give you another quick look at mine. I'm Frank or Mr. Whatsit. This is my beard. What do you think? Perfect for stroking and thinking. So, what do you think the answer was, children? Mr. Whatsit or Mr. Dorito? I'm going to leave that one up to you. I would choose Mr. Whatsit. But it's your choice. Give yourself a good old tick for that last question. And thank you very much for joining in with my maths video. Thank you very much, children. I'll see you soon. I'll see you on Monday. Oh no, I'm sorry, I won't. Miss Walker will be back on Monday. I will see you soon, though. Do not worry. Have a lovely weekend. Goodbye. Goodbye.